Alright, so this video, I guess we're gonna just start off. If you haven't watched like any of the live, like quick little live streams, we've had some issues. Sharon's out, my neighbors don't like me, I already knew that. She came out cussing, calling me a piece of shit, all that good stuff. So yeah, they called the county and report, like pretty much snitched on this stuff. It was funny because they got in trouble too, so. And they also screwed over some more people in the neighborhood, so it's kind of fucked up. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do today is these guys got to come down. Got a buddy coming over today, and we're gonna get this big old tree right here. That one's gonna be getting chopped down, and then if we feel like doing more, there's a couple other ones I'd like to get down now, because so the plan is, so the loophole I found is if it's under 150 square feet, you're good to go. So we went and Paul went and picked up, we got some 10 by 15 shelter logics from Home Depot, 200 bucks each. So that's actually pretty good. I guess we'll see how good they are when we get them up. But yeah, so today's get all this stuff tore down, and then we got to pull up the pallet floor. And then we pretty much got to move the stuff. Hopefully the pallets aren't completely gone. Otherwise, then we got to go figure out some pallets. But yeah, other than that, I think we're pretty much good to go. Just pretty much got to tear down shit. So I guess I'm going to start tearing down the pop-up garage. And kind of get ready for if and when some people show up. So let's do that. Quick little before shot, but yeah, that's that. All right, fuck, it's hot. So far so good. Got the tarp off. Kind of a pain in the ass because it's got like, I screwed down the sides, plus the bars go through the sides, so I still gotta unbolt all that stuff. And yeah, thrill a minute, so let's keep going. All right, guys, so I'm dying out here. So we've gotten up some of the boards, got them sitting over there. I've started over here. So this is pretty much what I do, is just kind of level it. So that way at least your edges are pretty close. I mean, it's all up to you, is how picky you want to get. Then you just pretty much make this to whatever size, and then you're just going to lay the plywood over top. So that's what I'm doing. So let's keep going. It's just going to take a while. So that's the update. Okay, so things have escalated. Paul's here. He's gotten his fucking homeless camp down. Morgan has nowhere to live now. And yeah, so we got this. So I've got the floor. So basically all I did was somewhat level these, so that way when you step on them they don't rock. So that's kind of the gist of what I do for a pallet floor. Ideally you probably want to slope it, even though this is probably an okay slope because it's kind of like this. You just want to make sure it's not a puddle. Yeah, it's going like to that corner. Which is not terrible. It just means it's all going to run across my floor, but yeah, definitely don't want puddles on the inside. But yeah, so far so good. I just got to fill up these couple voids, and then the fun begins to put this guy together. And the good news is, it looks like it's exactly like mine, because it has this fancy, this is exactly what mine had. So that's good. I'm looking at the fucking Spanish side. Or no, it says all three in the thing. Oh, dude, it comes with the fucking shelter augers. God dang. This is a deal. $200 out the door. $200 at Home of the Depot. Sponsor us. And it's a peak style. This is literally the exact same as mine. Except smaller. Except smaller. And not broke. Yeah, if you look, yeah, this is exactly like mine. That's awesome. I already know how to put this together. Done. 5 minutes. So, it took a long time to tear down, but yeah. This should be sweet. Yeah, I probably have to start a live stream. All right, that's all I got for right now, and we'll see what happens in the near video. All right, it's a bit dark now, but Paul's got pretty packed up over there. And yeah, got this guy up. It's screwed down to the floor, and everything's tightened. It's pretty sturdy. Now all I gotta do is get the main tarp on. So, and then obviously we gotta put in all those tubes. So yeah, we're not even close yet. So let's keep going. Okay, there it is. It's up. That was a blast. Still got to tighten the bottom, and we got to like do a little bit of adjustments here and there. But otherwise, it's pretty done. I might actually angle it too. We'll see how bad it is to push this thing in there. So, but yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead and get the crap out of the way, and then we'll be pushing in the Furo. So let's do that. Would you look at it? Daytime, nighttime. Daytime, nighttime. All right, so next day, kind of already been going at it. Started tearing down the floor and starting getting ready to do Paul's. Fuck off, fly. You lose. So, yeah. Pretty much I think we're gonna do, so that's like 6 foot 8 inches, then we'll put one long way. I don't know, we'll see. Once we get enough pallets, then we can play musical pallets. Then I already went ahead, ran a new wire, or new extension cord for the shed. So it's gonna go, I'm actually gonna pin this guy up here, because this is gonna be our bathroom. And yeah. So then it's gonna run up, it runs up along, it's all zip tied, and then it comes down right there. Too easy. And then this black one, I'm just gonna go over to where his is at. Should be good. We're gonna probably have to lob off this corner just to make life easier. Even though once that tree's gone, that won't be a problem. But yeah, we're pretty much just doing the same thing I just did. So let's continue that on. But otherwise, the yard's looking super trashed over here. But it's looking good back here. So, and then you guys better get excited, because we're gonna bring RCs to the channel, because that'll be a good time. We'll be building an RC track back here again.
Cars are done.
Yeah, we're over the car thing.
Old news.
Yeah, so we used to have a track back here. It used to, like, there was a nice long straightaway down this way, and a big bank turn, or no, it was a small.
We can show a
small
picture of it too.
Yeah, small bank turn that came. There was a jump that jumped over the track, went around, came back, then it like a little S, and then it went into a dugout turn, and then it came up, spun, big bank turn, and then into the straightaway. So yeah, that was a pretty good time. But we're gonna be doing that again, because that'll be a good kind of cheap hobby. It's not exactly cheap, but we like to attack on thrillers, so it'll be fun. We'll try and get some more people into it, so we can, yeah, aka Morgan, see who else we can get into them. But yeah, so now we're just gonna get all this stuff off so we can get the pallet crab done. So let's do that. All right, so Paul's working on screwing down all these boards right now. So we just pretty much put it down. We didn't put too much effort into leveling it. It's definitely 100% leveler than it was. So, huh?
What was that?
Yes. It's 100%er better. It's the bestest. So now once we get that screwed down, then we gotta like move some crap out of the way, and then we gotta put these guys down, and we'll chop them. And then same thing with the front. And then we can move some dirt up here. Should be a good time. So let's do that. All right, well, Mother Nature says fuck us. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's coming down. So we're in here surviving. Survival of the fittest, I guess. So yeah, now we wait. All right, I'm just gonna add that whole little bit there into fucking nice and muddy. So this is what we got done. Obviously rained out. Paul went home, so yeah. I got the front of my garage. Got that front piece on, and then this one side piece. So I still got to do the one back piece, and that's done. Then I got to pretty much tighten down the sides, and yeah. Once that's done, then mine's all set to go. Yeah. Now we just got to clean up all this crap. So, but yeah. That's all I got for this one, guys. So you guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.